venda zwa miswaswo.
Welcome to the Van Rap Radio. Nenga dzina ndituka ndiswana ndingwana ndi wa mahongoni tichikhola zora nepo ni babahone auna na zwimwe. You still having some greatest times zikadibuya rekhodi yabona na manyadi ane ndangara kukhakisa hunda marai ndi zwithu ziralo ṅwali una kachita chirala chita chikuba chita chitanzwa zwichinaka uri uchi jive wa December yoswika thiri va jive usina buse ai songo to lambilu nga manda ndi mvula nyana ndi manyadi nyana mara mafungo asi hayo mafungo vachidzi zwidiva uri havi arali we about to look at another video ine yori ndi video ine yanga yo dropa zwino ine akurwanga manda zonda kwamba zo ndi video zwine nda kwamba zono ya yo dropa ndikhala murova nepa kana ndiri na musinga madaucha anepa nga awara ya bufumi na bubili. Okay, but I'm not gonna get into a lot of things. Maybe in the first okay, why videos zikadiba ngange why you open mic why esinga channel yawe she signed to open mic so as mapunga rakudaro kwamba ngawo page ndongoramba zondi zori congratulations Makhadzi fedza dropper the brand new music video for la track eleno Murahu the track ene vunji abantu bakuchina ngayo bakolamula nje bako jiva basaweli huko viwa big on nthane he track. So I'm gonna play you this track at you want a video, so we're gonna watch it together. Ravona zori hotangana mini hoite ya mini suzo with this ya called Tiri. So ndisa tomba suzinji I only watched the clips ya mzika zishutiwa. So let's watch the video. Arvona zori resolve the wood ya papetuko tangana mini ukwiti tongarana mini zino yeah okay yeah so this is zobira ngonani. So I'm gonna play you the music video. Usikoni ravona zori hotangana mini kwetia mini ndiamba musigomba komba achi drop this brand new music video ine yabori ndileno Murahu featuring Mr. Brown ndi Makhadzi onoyo. So let's check it out. What the mbuzawo bonori bayibona hani. Comment, like and share. You know, when I'm watching this video, it just takes me back on the days I got the performer Zitaratani, I got the performer Ningi, Mashoponi, Panda Banet, and a mini hote. Who never enjoyed them say, Zone. It was like crazy things, man. It was like crazy. Ngandere wazungayo. But Hangorata Tabura, she worked hard. So now the music video Honwanga says that what base are mostly the humble beginnings zamuzi zwithi zikadirokonda zikadilemera uchikadibori hish muzimu ngweko la acha wadudumona nepatu bakumsewa kudimkolera. But let's continue to watch the video. So this guy ndila guy ni wabuzonga Mr. Brown, one of the most talented producer and vocalist. And mtwana msa chukemba zobato zifa zori zozudzanyea nga manda lyrics zawe ziba zodzura zwabudi asisuku dala over the track. So ndimwa watu bana wari it's way talented, very talented. You just look at the video, man. This is a very beautiful video. What I'm happy about again is Gia and she took it to the street. I make sure she get a lot of people involved. I make sure it was not just success when it started. So this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. There is talent, there is hard work, there's passion, there is love. Anyway, Makhadzi. I'm happy about the video. I'm loving the video. This is dope. This is pew. Nice. Big up to Open Mic. Big up to Open Mic. Big up to Open Mic Production. Make sure that you take care of our queen. Make sure that I don't know the first story. Yeah, but so let's just finish up the video. When you comment, like, share, video. This is a dope track. This is a dope video. So compliment and let's have a video. It's very important. It already video yabo ichiva drop a video ya hori explain ruimbo ya rujia ya rubea uregere again upira zero yimbo right azone rone nduri it moves that song to a next level wakongwana ziyamarana wa jolly wa put wana zotangana nduri wafunda zone zabo zori yeah it really makes sense. It's doing the right thing and this is what's happening nenga zina ndiduka ndiswana ndingwana ndo mahongoni and I'm damn happy about this thing. Yes Makhadzi. Yeah, man. Open Mic Production. That's the house where Makhadzi Osainua Hone. Big up to Open Mic. Dope music video. Great work. Makhadzi have done it again. She's not playing, man. She's taking it to the next level. And let's respect and let's celebrate. This is numbers on that a music video takes your song to the next level. It makes people understand your song even more better. Zitor, even the people that were not your fans, man, they tend to love the video, and then that leads for them to love the song. I'm very proud of this, man. I'm very happy. Respect, humble respect. We come a long way, girl, and this is what you're supposed to do. Big up, so much respect. I'm out of here. Go watch the video. Yeah, go check out the video, man. Go check out the video. Murahu featuring Mr. Brown, Makhadzi.